everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video, we will recap the trading week. But first up, to get our market-moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. With that away, guys, as I keep saying here on the channel, this is a trader's market and not an investor's. What I try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar. You can create a watch list on the names that I cover. And as I always say, play green and not red. You're looking for that momentum. You want to get on the wave, ride it, and get off. Forget this diamond hands, paper hands BS. And we do not dip buy penny stocks. That's the fastest way to the poorhouse. You'll just end up becoming a bag holder like in PEAR, GMZP, HMBL, which I'll cover here in a minute. You can go to insiderfinancial.com and you can see the tickers that we cover here on our videos. And overall, it was just a great week here at insiderfinancial.com. The big runner of the week was CXAI, was trading over $30 in the pre-market today. It helps to, we don't do buys in the pre-market or after hours, but we I do like to sell, if there's a runner, be able to get out, book profits. If you want to be able to trade pre-market, click that link in the description and sign up with Webull. You can trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. and get up to 12 free stocks when you deposit at least $100. From last week's video, or from last Sunday's video, I covered RIOT and MRAI. I said they were going to run with Bitcoin destined to go above 30,000. We're just under 31,000 here now. RIOT up 47% for the week. MRAI up 50% for the week. So congratulations if you watched the Sunday night video and caught those moves. I will have a new Sunday night watch list, so make sure you click that notification button, hit the subscribe button, follow us here, and notifications to be notified when that new video gets uploaded. For the overall market, the S&P 500 closed on Friday 0.79% higher for the week at 4137, posting gains in 2 sessions, losses in 2, and ending flat in 1. The benchmark index put in a shaky performance on Monday and Tuesday as market participants digested last week's Good Friday jobs report, which indicated that the labor market remained tight. Investors remained largely non-committal ahead of the highly anticipated CPI report for March on Wednesday. Inflation, as expected, took up a chunk of the spotlight this week with the March CPI report, followed by the Producer Price Index report on Thursday. Both gauges moderated, with the headline CPI number falling a full percentage point from February, and the headline PPI number posting an unexpected decrease. The data suggests that the Fed's aggressive rate hiking campaign was having its intended effect in cooling the economy. Adding strength to that narrative, figures on Wednesday showed that the Atlanta Fed's business inflation expectations for the year ahead decreased. Moreover, statistics on Thursday showed that the number of Americans filing for initial jobless claims in the past week rose, raising hopes of some loosening in the highly resilient labor market. Despite the several favorable economic data points, Fed speakers remained largely cautious during the week. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly and Fed Governor Christopher Waller both said that further policy tightening could be warranted. Conversely, minutes of the central bank's March Monetary Policy Committee meeting published on Wednesday showed that several officials considered pausing rate hikes in light of the recent banking crisis. According to the CME FedWatch tool, markets now see around an 83% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike at the Fed's May meeting, followed by a small, around 13% chance of another 25 basis point rate hike in June. Investors during the week also focused on the start of the first quarter earnings season. Delta on Thursday posted a mixed performance but provided optimistic guidance. Big banks took center stage on today, with JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo smashing expectations across the board. Earnings seasons picks up next week with many household names on tap to report, including Tesla, Netflix, J&J, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and AT&T. Going to be some great options trades next week. Again, we'll be covering that on during the week and also on the Sunday night video. Today, big news was JP Morgan. Big move today, up almost 8%. JP Morgan Chase posted a 52% increase in first quarter profit and record revenue. The better than expected results arrive amid industry uncertainty caused by March's banking turmoil. JP Morgan Chief Executive Jamie Dimon said the economy remains on healthy footing, but the banking upheaval will likely slow lending. In other news, Amazon is throwing its hat in the AI ring. Amazon's cloud computing division announced new artificial intelligence offerings Thursday, joining Alphabet Inc.'s Google and Microsoft in the race to cash in on generative AI, the technology between ChatGPT. So this week, I mean, it was just an amazing week. Anything with AI in the name was running. Whether it has any connection to AI, artificial intelligence, it didn't matter. As long as AI was in the ticker, stocks were on a tear. I mean, today I traded MRAI. I was in and out within the first 30 minutes. So again, just thank you. It was a great week. Very, very happy. So again, I've been talking to you guys about the opening range strategy. This was the opening range today on MRAI. Open at 197, was as low as 193. It was as high as 255. Once it got above it just started on the next 15-minute bar. Guys, I use the 15-minute opening range. I like the 15 minutes. 5 minutes is just not enough. I've tried every range. For me, 15-minute is what works best for me. But again, none of this is financial advice. This is just educational purposes only. So again, I caught this move here from 9:45 to 10 o'clock, in and out, and I just called it a day. Friday, it's Friday. It's a great day to just call it a day in the morning if you can and go play golf. CNSP was a great name today. A lot of people caught this move. Teresa Parent on Twitter, she posted the due diligence. She said CNSP founded. I knew that something had to make this move the way it did today. They had warrants to be exercised at $303 a share. It also explains all of the recent buys and insider buying. They knew it would run to exercise the warrant. So this is good DD, worth a follow there, Teresa Parent. So again, it's a lot of times you look for news, you can't find it. Twitter is a great resource when it comes to some due diligence. Then on the opening range today, I mean, SI, it kept you out of the play if you were looking to play this. A lot of people were thinking this was going to be a big runner today. It was a huge gap, but again, this is the opening range. Sold off throughout the day, kept you out of it. Same thing with CXAI. I mean, people made so much money on this name. I mean, we've been I've been in it since over 340. Sold in the pre-market this morning, so it was just a great trade for me. This was just profit taking today. So again, if you were trying to trade this one today and go long, you just lost money. So again, but if you follow the opening range strategy, it showed you that this was going to be a red day. So it kept you out of the name if you had no position. PEAR. guys, you know, these fin twitters really got you guys. They were trying to pump this one hard as a bankruptcy play. I covered this one in last night's video. I said, you know, you had a major fund completely wind down their position, sell the last of their stock at 12 cents. This was a no-brainer that, you know, it was. They were trying to spin it that the overhang was gone, that they could pump it, but no, this was not going to happen. And again, this kept you out. So again, this was Thursday's action, 9:30. You could see selling off here, and then today it just dumped here. So again, it kept you out of that. And guys, I say, do not dip buy penny stocks. That is the fastest way to the poorhouse. Today, GMZP just got absolutely killed. Just a disappointing merger, overvalued. Be careful with these reverse merger plays, guys. You know, it's buy the rumor, sell the news. Just ask the humble folks. I mean, you know, you're not going to find the next Amazon on the OTC. The OTC is just absolute garbage. If you learn, you know, to trade OTC, you can make a lot of money. Play the pump, get out before the dump. Don't fall in love with any of these plays. The humble guys can certainly tell you that is the case here. But again, guys, Sunday I will do a video with my game plan for the week. You know, we're going to be we're in earnings season, so next week will be a big one. Also, if you want our updates, the only way to get them is by signing up. So click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up with your mobile. This is the fastest way to get our updates. And finally, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by seller hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the weekend. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.